entering the fishing ground. We're entering the fishing ground. We're gonna go on. See what's going on if can get a reasonable fish. Yeah, we're there. I'll check out some of the fish them. So what go down? The fisherman them just come in. Now what if a fisherman boat not in? Good day family and friends, welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with the one and only Smokepot, and we're going to continue on the adventure. As you can see earlier on, we went up into the river, the nice beautiful fall right at the border between St. Andrew and St. Thomas here in Jamaica. We left from there, and a little small clip is there. We had a little small lunch at Gloria's, that's over by Port Royal. And the next video, I'll drive through Port Royal and let you guys see what Port Royal is about. I'll also give you the history about what made Port Royal famous, that earthquake from way back in the days. We left there, and to continue on the journey, we went to Old Harbour by the seaside, and we caught some fish. And what I'm going to be doing today, we're going to be roasting those fish. Right, we're also going to be frying some of those fish, so we're going to do both. So we're going to show you the seasoning process, and we're also going to be showing you the roasting process. We're going to use one of the old styles to do it today. So some of the ingredients that's going to be involved, let me show you. We have fresh thyme right here. We have some onions, we have some pimento seeds, we also have some scotch bonnet pepper. I choose to use the green ones. They got a real good flavor, but they're not as spicy as the red ones. Then over here, we got some scallion, whatever. We got some tomatoes, and we got some garlic. Right here is some collard cabbage that I sauteed just slightly earlier, and they're gonna be blended together. All these gonna be mixed together, and then I have some okra right here. As my powdered season, we have some all-purpose, some fish season, and I had some sazon, so I put some in it. And what I'm going to be doing now is all the fish is going to be seasoned with the powdered season. Then after that, I'm going to combine the other season for the fish that I'm going to be roasting, and then I'm going to stuff them with butter and with the seasoning. So just follow along as we do that. So right now we're going to start by applying the powdered season to the fish. All right, so we have different types of fish. As you can see, this is a small snapper. We also have parrot, huge parrots. We have some bigger snapper. So we have snapper and parrot, and we're going to be roasting some of both, and we're going to be frying escovitch some of both. So simple. We sprinkle some of the seasoning inside, understand, sort of rub it, make sure it gets everywhere. We cut the fish, so you get some inside there also, and you just rub lightly. You ain't got to overpower it, because these fish are very fresh. They just came out of the sea, so they have a little salt in them still. Remember, wash them thoroughly, use lime and use vinegar. So I didn't show you that as usual, just to cut the video a little short. And you continue, you season all the fish. You put them inside, make sure inside is nice and juicy. Rub them in your spot like so. And then after we finish doing all of that, we're gonna just give them a few minutes, not too much. And then I'm gonna be showing you in me mixing the seasoning that we're gonna be using and stuffing them and foiling them. So stick around. Remember, Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Remember, subscribe, share, like. You guys haven't seen me in a video for a while because some, personal problems and things, but we're good now and everything is all right. We should be back nice as usual. So subscribe, share, like. It goes a long way. We only have about 400 and something subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,000. So guys, show some love and some support and give me some love by sharing and subscribing. All right, stay tuned and continue. I finished rubbing all the powder season and all the fish. So now we're gonna go into seasoning of the fish that we're gonna be roasting. This is some chiffon butter. So we're gonna be using some of the chiffon butter. Let me take out the amount we're gonna be using. So I ain't gotta be dipping in this thing right there. Alright, so now we're gonna add these ingredients together because they have a stuff in the fish. So this is a little carrot steam with a little cabbage to it. Just saute it a little bit, it's not completely cooked through. Then we're gonna add our okra, as you can see, all cut up. Okra. Then we're gonna add scallion, tomato, garlic. Then we have some cut up onion, some thyme, pimento, some scotch bonnet pepper. Usually I try to get the pimento seeds all crushed out more. Some is crushed, some is not. I do not have my grinder with me, but it will do just the same. Now we'll put these and stir them in all together. We already have powder seasoning on the inside of the fish, so we don't need to do no more like that. Alright, when you get this a complete mix, everything stir well. Get everything integrated together. Alright, next step from here, get your foil. Get your foil. Alright. You get your fish. You can use a parrot right here. Place it like that. You get some of your butter. You put some of the butter inside the fish. Try to put some a little up where the head is, a little in the body, on the inside. Also put a little on the outside. Right? Then now you go to your greens. You just stuff it like so. So it goes up in the head and the outside. You can also, depends on how much you have, you can also put some on the outside. Right. And then you're gonna wrap this. That's all. You wrap it like so. Alright, this one is ready for the grill. Rest that right here. The next one, same procedure. Use this nice snapper right here that I have. Same procedure. Put your fish right here. Get your butter, some in the head, some in the body. You get your greens. Stuff there. You stuff the body. Put it on the outside. Put a little butter on the outside. Alright then. And we're gonna do that with quite a few. And then we're gonna start showing you how to make the fire, the type of fire we're going to be using, and the whole process of grilling is gonna start, and then we do the frying after that. So stay tuned, and we'll be back. Smokepot Balance Kitchen. Yeah, guys, we're here trying to make the fire outside. This is my nephew Shamar with me. He's the professional fire maker, that's what I heard. So we're gonna be using this style with those tire rims, and we're gonna catch a fire and immediately go to grilling of the fish. We're here chilling with Princess and Coco. Princess and Coco, look at the camera. Yeah, it should work out. It's very windy, so we have all oxygen we need. The fish, the foiled fish, on top of the mesh, and then you see the process. So, nephew. All right, guys. As you can see, the fire is somewhat ready. So, set up that way, and then we're gonna just gonna add the fish over. The fish with the fire going away 15 minutes the most. So I'm going to give it like about 10 minutes on one side, because the fire still building a little, and then we're going to give it at least 7 on the other side. So we're just going to watch this, enjoy the view, enjoy the movement, flip them, and then we're going to go into frying after. So I catch you when we're going to flip them over. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, I have all of the fish them right here, and we're having a blaze right now. So I really want to flip some around. I want to make sure I don't want to overcook them. And at the same time, I put the oil. Put the oil in the pot for the to fry the fish. So I'll get to that in a second, and turn these. The fire is blazing, as you guys can see. Need a little more time. I don't think they're ready yet. Just gonna leave those right here. In the meantime, I have some garlic and some onion for the oil. Alright, so let's do that. Put a whole lot of pepper in it. Alright, this is our fried fish. What the color you can smell that aroma, guys. Nice aroma from the onion. Let's turn it down here. As I'm telling you, right now it's off the start. Alright guys, that was beautiful color. That was beautiful color. That was fire. And snapping. And the roast fish, almost all of them is done. So you can see this one is good. So I'm letting this sit on the fire a little longer. But you don't want all the heat on it, so you put it to the side. This one is hot also. Put that there. Put the fried fish. This what is ready. You don't want them to overdone to the side. You can put it there. It is bad, guys. That's the first step. I'm gonna continue, and then as I said, we're gonna leave from there and we're gonna go into the tasting and the finish. Let's put some more of these inside here. This one. And to take up the whole top. We're gonna put some baby whipping. Whipping time coming up shortly. So stick around. Smokepot and Balance. We'll stay in Jamaica. So guys, as you can see, I'm now through. So here are my fried fish. I made some escovitch sauce. I didn't put none on them yet, but on the platter I'll be eating, I put some. And this is the roasted fish I have here, the olive foil. The one that I'm going to be tasting for you guys, I took out off the foil, so you're going to see it. So here's my beautiful platter, as you can see. So we have the snapper fish right there. I put the escovitch on it, and this is the roasted fish, the parrotfish right there. And there you can see I have the greens and everything all over it. And I added some tomatoes and some lettuce, you know, so that it looks beautiful. Take a nice snap of that. As I'm hungry as you are, as you should be right now. So guys, the aroma is off the charts and everything. Now I'm gonna be doing a really tasty. I'll tell you exactly what it's like. In the escovitch, I put some carrots. On one of my videos, it shows you how to make escovitch sauce. Not too spicy. Very nice, very tasty. Chop onions, chop bell pepper. Really nice. Really nice. Let me taste it first. Fish itself. I don't love my fish too dried. You know, so it's super, guys. My fried fish, well seasoned. It's very, very nice. Let me take a taste of this salad before I taste the roasted. Goes well with salad. Complements it real well. Now I'm going to taste the parrot. See on the inside. See all the stuffing. If you can see how moist that fish is, so you know it's not overdone. Look at the taste. Soft, buttery. Tastes a little at a time. The okra, all that greens that was sitting on it, is that they just add a bath together. Well balanced. Very delicious, guys. Very, very, very delicious. Very delicious. So, very fresh fish. I went to the fish market. I bought them today. Like you see in the video. Came right up and did some work. Hope you love it. We're back on track. But guys, remember, as I'm saying, we're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate all the likes and all the subscribers. I'd like you to continue and just pass it on to a friend. Help push it to 12,000, alright? Love you guys. Thanks very much. This is Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Remember, subscribe, share, like. God bless you. Peace out.